Hey, what's up guys? Day number 5. Today we're going to do some additional bracing on the ribs. We're going to get the transom put in. Last time I saw you guys, we actually epoxied the transom together, the 2 pieces of plywood, so now it's laminated into one, inch and 1/8-ish thick plywood, solid plywood transom. We're going to get that mounted in here. We'll see how far we get. We got a lot of rain coming. I got a late start. Let's get going. All right, well, one of the problems that we're running into is supply chain issues. Dixo is not available anywhere, from Total Boat, from any supplier, anywhere on the planet that I could find. So I've ordered some West Marine epoxy adhesive, but I don't know when that's going to get here. So in the meantime, we're going to use the old-fashioned, good for anything, Gorilla Glue. So we'll see how that works. I got a wet rag. You're supposed to dampen one side, thin coat the other side, and then clamp it together. So here we go, trying that. Oh, that didn't go as bad as it could have, but I still would have rather used Dixo, but we got what we got. So this is supposed to hold. We'll see. Well, despite the weather, we got a lot more done today than I thought I was going to get done. I got the transom glued in. I got some of the side bracing in so I can get the skins on the side maybe tomorrow. I got the first of the pontoon skins on. I got some more bracing in. Had a good day despite, like I said, weather and love bugs. I have epoxied a few love bugs in the boat and they are now permanent residents. But it's Florida, it's September. That's what happens. When we come back, we're going to finish skinning this boat, get some bottom paint on it, and get ready to flip it over. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.